18 signs from a woman that she wants you. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever been in a situation where you felt there might be a spark with someone, but couldn't quite tell if she was actually giving you the green light? Well, today we're going to decode those oh-so-subtle hints that a woman drops when she secretly wants you to approach her. And trust me, some of these will genuinely surprise you. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the insights to spot these hidden signals and confidently make your move. Ready to uncover these intriguing cues and become a master at reading between the lines? Let's dive in. The double take glance. When she looks at you, looks away, and then looks back almost immediately. It's a classic yet subtle sign of interest. While an initial glance could be a simple once-over, a double take indicates she's intrigued. By looking away and then reverting her gaze back to you, it can imply she's confirming her initial interest or attraction. Touching her hair or neck. These subtle gestures often signal a heightened sense of vulnerability or attraction. Touching the neck or playing with hair is a subconscious, self-soothing gesture. It might indicate that she's feeling a rush of attraction and might be a bit nervous about it. When attracted, people often become more self-aware and may touch or adjust parts of their bodies in response. She's always coincidentally nearby. Notice if she's always somehow near your vicinity, even if there's no obvious reason. If she is frequently happening to be where you are, it might not be a coincidence. Being in your vicinity gives her the chance to interact with you, even if it's brief. This accidental positioning is just her way of increasing the opportunities for a potential conversation or interaction. The lingering goodbye. When she hesitates a moment longer before parting ways, a prolonged or lingering goodbye often indicates reluctance to end that interaction. It's as if she is silently wishing for the conversation or the moment to continue. This hesitation can be a clear sign of her wanting more time with you. Unconscious mirroring. If she starts mimicking your actions, gestures, or speech patterns. Mirroring is a subconscious behavior that often indicates comfort and rapport. When she unknowingly starts to replicate your body language, tone, or even certain phrases, it signifies that she's attuned to you and feels a connection. It's a powerful, subtle hint that she's in sync with your vibe and interested. Seeks out your opinion. She values your thoughts and regularly asks for them. When someone is interested in you, they will often seek validation and show that they respect and value your perspective. If she often turns to you for advice or asks, "What do you think?" it's a clear sign that she cares about your opinion and wants to involve you in her decision-making or thought processes. Always seems available. Whenever you hint at meeting or suggest an activity, she's always free or makes time. While everyone has busy schedules, if she seems to always find a window of time for you or frequently adjusts her plans to fit yours, it's an indicator of her interest. It's her way of showing that she wants to spend time with you and that she's willing to prioritize interactions with you. Her feet point towards you, a subconscious body language sign that indicates interest. Body language experts often suggest that the direction our feet are pointing in can reveal where our interest lies. If you're in a group setting or even one-on-one and her feet are consistently pointing towards you, it can signify that you are the focus of her attention. While it might seem minor, this involuntary gesture can be a telling sign of her attraction of interest in you. Frequent virtual touch points, regular texts, online pings, or social media interactions without a specific reason. In today's digital age, communication is more accessible than ever. If she frequently reaches out to you without any particular reason, just to share a meme, update you about her day, or even send a simple "hey," it's her way of trying to remain connected. It indicates she enjoys your virtual company and likes keeping the rapport alive, signaling deeper interest. She drops hints about favourite places, subtly or not so subtly, mentioning a favourite cafe or park, inviting you to take the initiative. When she reoccurringly talks about places she loves, she may be giving you an open invitation to ask her out. This repeated mention might be her way of setting the stage for a potential date or a meetup. She's giving you the information and hoping you'll catch on and use it. Show genuine concern for your well-being. Regularly checking up on you or showing concern over minor details. Caring about someone's well-being often signifies deeper feelings. If she seems genuinely invested in how you are feeling, asks if you've eaten, or shows concern when you are stressed or unwell, it's a sign that she's looking at you with more than just friendly eyes. It showcases an emotional connection and a desire to be there for you. The accidental touch. Those seemingly unintentional brushes of her hand against yours or her shoulder brushing against you. Physical touch, even if it appears accidental, can be a very deliberate way of testing the waters. If she often finds reasons to be in close proximity, leading to these accidental brushes or touches, it might be her way of expressing attraction and seeing how you respond. Sharing personal stories. Opening up to you, indicating she feels safe and wants to be closer. When a person delves into personal anecdotes or shares intimate details about their life, it often signals trust and the desire for emotional closeness. If she's confiding in you, it suggests that she views you as someone special and she feels secure enough to be vulnerable with you. The playful tease. Light-hearted teasing or challenges that beg for a witty comeback or playful response. Playful banter can be a classic form of flirtation. If she jests or throws light-hearted challenges your way, it often indicates she's engaging with you on a deeper level and is interested in seeing your playful side. It also allows her to gauge your sense of humour and connection. Compliments your appearance or skills. Noticing something new about you or praising something you are good at. Compliments that move beyond the surface level suggest that she's paying close attention. If she observes and praises subtle changes in your appearance or is impressed by your skills, she is showing that she values and admires you. Hints at being alone. Casual mentions of being home alone or having no plans for the weekend. When she drops such hints, it's often an invitation for you to make a move, whether that's asking her out or just spending time together. She's putting the ball in your court, giving you a perfect opportunity to step up and show interest. Listens intently, giving you her full attention even if the surroundings are distracting. In a world of distractions, someone giving their undivided attention is priceless. If she's truly present in your conversation and hangs on to every word, it's a strong sign she's deeply interested in getting to know you and values what you have to say. Cracked her code? Now fine-tune your strategy. Up next, reveal the power of not pursuing women or discover how to tell if a woman has a high sex drive. Value these insights, show some love with a thumbs up, chime in below and be sure to subscribe.